Hello, I'm Richard from Evergreen Walls. We proudly hold the title of being Australia's first and only fully fire-rated artificial greenery company. Now, what does this unique distinction mean and why is it important? Well, to understand that, you need to know who our clients are. Evergreen works with the biggest and best brands in the built environment, spanning various industries across Australia. Now, these industries are highly regulated and safety is a huge priority. These sectors include retail, commercial, aged care, education, and many more. Certifiers simply can't approve products that don't meet Australian standards. This expectation led us to create our groundbreaking fireproof green wall system, making Evergreen the go-to company for project greenery installations. Our Evergreen Premium system was subjected to a full-scale fire test in line with ISO 9705 that tests the behaviour of internal walls and ceiling products against Australian standards. We're delighted to share that our green wall system not only met but exceeded expectations by securing a Group 2 fire rating. This rating ensures that you can use our greenery products in almost any application across Australia. Our goal is to not just deliver visually appealing products, it's also about offering peace of mind by ensuring the safety of all Australians who use our greenery solutions. For additional information about what this Group 2 fire rating means for you and your upcoming projects, feel free to explore our website or get in touch at evergreenwalls.com.au and search fire.